Good morning. My name is Christine, and this is my colleague, Mr. Change. And it's my honor to introduce you with my company, E-NETWAY, and our products. Our company, E-NETWAY, is committed to safe drinking water, and we can design and produce domestic and personal filters according to customers' different requirements. And this is our company name, E-NETWAY. And our filters can filter out the particle and the chlorine. And the core technology is to filter out the bacteria, heavy metal, and lead. And also, we can add the phosphate to inhibit the scale. For the domestic filter solutions, we can add different formulas and combine different filter materials to achieve different filter effects. As you can see here, there are many different kinds of filter materials to filter out different kinds of the materials. And according to customer different requirements, we can also provide the quick change cartridges and inline cartridges. They can be designed in commercial use and for domestic use or modular use. And for the commercial use, we can provide the compatible solutions with EVERPURE. And there are 4 kinds of filter head. As you can see, this is the single head. This is the twin head, triple head, quad head. And this is the pre-filter PP filter. And as you can see, there are 3 different kinds of lengths here. So the customer can design their own filters according to their different requirements. And for our inline filter, we adopt a modular design. So the customer, we can provide the customer with many different choices, and the customer also can have their DIY solutions. For example, the inside material is the activated carbon. And the inside material is the hollow fiber membrane, which is also called the UF. The pore size of the hollow fiber membrane inside is only 0.1 micron. And the smallest bacteria is 0.2 micron, which means the pore size of this hollow fiber membrane is smaller than the smallest bacteria. When the water passes out, it will become bacteria-free water. So you can connect 2 different materials together and attach this way. It's very easy. And then put this inside. Okay? Then this will become very simple and reliable, purified to drink bacteria-free water at home. And this is the activated carbon you can also put inside. So this is a very simple and effective way to build your own purifier at home. Okay, for the outdoor drinking solutions, we designed a portable water filter like this. This is very light and easy to carry when you travel outdoors or at home. As you can see, we hope people can bring their own portable water filter and their kettle for them to drink the bacteria-free water outdoors at home. Let's have a quick look at this. As you can see on the screen, this is, I mentioned that the inside material is the hollow fiber membrane. The pore size of this hollow fiber membrane is only 0.1 micron. And as you can see, the smallest bacteria is 0.2 micron. So the pore size is smaller than the bacteria. When the water comes out, it can fill out the impurities, the bacteria or the microorganism. And when people travel outdoors, if they get hurt, they can also use the bacteria-free water to clean the wines. Let's have a quick look about the videos here. Okay, this is the portable water filter. The inside material is hollow fiber membrane. As I mentioned, it can filter out the bacteria. You can tap it under the tap water at home. So when the water comes out, it will become the safe drinking water. You can also use this bacteria-free water to clean the wines. As you can see, this is the mud water, very dirty. But when you attach this portable water filter, it comes out, become the clean water. It's safe to drink without the bacteria. So you can see my colleague, Mr. Chen, to drink this safe water. Okay. Let's see another field. So when people go outside, go mountain climbing, if they finish their drinking water, they can use the bottle to fill in the river water and attach this portable water filter. Then you can drink the safe water without the bacteria. This is the pore size, as I mentioned, 0.1 micron, smaller than the bacteria. So it can fill out all these materials. Okay? So our company, all our materials meet the NSF certification standards. And we also combine Taiwan's partners to supply you with the good products. And we hope we can supply people with the safe drinking water at home and outdoors. Thank you for your listening.